In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit equations in Microsoft Word for versions Word 2016, Word 2019, Word 2021, and Microsoft 365. This is a handy skill that can really streamline your experience, especially if you need to include mathematical or scientific notation in your documents. Let's get started by focusing on how to insert an equation in Word. First things first, place your cursor exactly where you'd like your equation to appear in the document. This is important because Word will insert the equation at the current cursor position. Once you're ready, head over to the ribbon at the top of the screen and find the Insert tab. Click on it to open up a variety of options. Within this tab, look for the Symbols group, which holds the key to inserting equations. You can click on the Equation button here, or if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Alt plus the equal sign on your keyboard. This action will pop up a new equation box within your document. You might notice it even comes with a handy placeholder that says something like Type Equation here. This is your canvas for creating or building your equation. From this point, you have a couple of options. You can choose to use a built-in equation from the drop-down menu that appears beneath the Equation button, which is great for common equations. Or, if you prefer, you can dive right in and start typing out a custom equation that suits your needs. Once you're in the equation box, you'll notice something new on the ribbon, a tab labeled Equation Tools, which then breaks down into Design. It's within this Design tab that you'll find all the templates, symbols, and structures you need for your equation masterpiece. Now let's talk about editing an equation, because sometimes you just need to tweak what you've created. Click directly on the equation you want to modify, and this will automatically reactivate the Equation Tools and bring back the Design tab we were just discussing. Here, you can insert additional symbols using the Symbols group, which is perfect if you need a specific mathematical character. Or you might need to incorporate structures such as fractions, subscripts, or superscripts, roots, or even matrices readily available under the Structures group. Remember, you can easily toggle the equation's appearance between Professional View, which presents it beautifully formatted and often multi-line, and Linear View, which offers a plain text style using Unicode math or LaTeX syntax. This flexibility can be crucial depending on how you want your equations to be displayed. Once you've made all the necessary changes, all you need to do is click outside the equation box or simply press the ESC key to exit the equation editor. For those of you who frequently use specific equations, there's a neat feature that allows you to save your equation to the equation gallery. Just select Save as New Equation for quick reuse in future projects. And there you have it, a straightforward way to insert and edit equations in Microsoft Word, making your document formatting a breeze.